Hello, everyone, and thank you to the Italian Insurtech Association for giving me the chance to be part of this conference. I'm really glad to be here digitally, which is quite appropriate for considering the subject. Today, it's my pleasure to provide you some insights about the digitization of insurance, especially how we at Chubb are pioneering digital distribution partnership solutions, harnessing the power of IoT, and understanding Insurtech's and their role in the insurance ecosystem. But first, let me tell you about Chubb and introduce myself. Chubb is the largest publicly traded property and casualty company in the world. Our operations span 54 countries and territories, and we are one of the largest product portfolios in the insurance industry. I'm the regional head of consumer lines, and I'm responsible for managing large and strategic partnerships and distribution channels such as digital direct marketing or face-to-face for a wide range of products, including accident and health, personal lines, and others. Chubb has more than 19 million policies in force around the globe through digital partnerships, and we have grown this part of the business significantly over the last 3 years. And how we achieve that? Through 185 distribution partnerships globally, and among these, you will find digital banks and fintechs, plus leading businesses from e-commerce, retail, travel, or transportation. We know customers want digital products, and they want them to be relevant and affordable. And that is why we aim to deliver them through our partnerships. For us, it's about affordable and easy to understand insurance products. We help customers to protect their lives and their health, but also we protect a wide range of other things that are important to people, including their homes, their cars, mobile phones, or travel. In addition, we also help people to look after their digital lives through our personal cyber provision. The fundamental part of this is how we meet customer expectations in terms of delivering that digital experience. We know that many of our partners are digital natives, so in the way in which integration happens is really, really important. So how do we do this in a seamless and effective way? An integral part of what we do in this space comes through our technology platform, Chubb Studio. Chubb Studio allows us to take the essence of Chubb, our biggest strengths, and it lets us deliver them to our partners and their customers in a digital way through mobile. In short, this means Chubb's full value proposition is our breadth of products, balance sheet, and geographic reach. And through Chubb Studio, we can offer this to our distribution partners and customers. It allows them to access to off-the-shelf insurance products and services, but it's also integrated through our partnerships in a very simple way. For example, with widgets or APIs. By working in this fashion, we offer our partners flexibility so that insurance options and customized campaigns can be embedded and offered alongside core products and services. It means our partners can offer a white label customized digital programs while we get on with all the insurance elements, from quotes to claims. We are continuously innovating and developing new capabilities for Chubb Studio. When we create something for a partner in one region, we look at how those solutions could be deployed by other partners elsewhere. Often, people think of digital insurance propositions in terms of sales and policies, but for us, it's well beyond that. We are well known by our claim services, and that also applies online. So our claims proposition is really crucial. We've also developed value-added digital risk prevention solutions around health, cyber, and home. As you can see, we are developing digital products, services, and experiences that benefit both consumer and our partners, thanks to close collaboration and the latest technology. IoT usage has developed exponentially in the last few years, and that is why we believe that it will continue to grow, with the insurance industry at the center of many developments. We are no exception at Chubb, where it's integral to our new Predict and Prevent service. IoT has been something that of a game changer in terms of its influence on how commercial insurance is priced, underwritten, and serviced. It makes real-time exposure tracking and rating possible, instead of making some property underwriting decisions based on historic losses over a period of several years. The risk can now be accessed through greater immediacy. That means better risk selection and pricing. It also means better risk selection for emerging industries, for example, which we have limited data or not lost at all. IoT also enables us to intervene when necessary to protect our clients, property, and their workers. Let me explain at this point what that looks like and how it works at Chubb and our clients. In short, it means that we can move on to a predict and prevent footing. IoT sensors are key to this, and we have billions of dollars insured properties being protected in this way. Early detection of risk is fundamental. It moves the focus away from claims to preventing incidents happening in the first place, at worksite, homes, and other buildings. This has been a particular interest to our commercial property insurance clients to help them to stop water leaks and the damage such incidents can cause. You can see why nobody wants the expense or the trouble of having to deal with a water leak if the damage can be prevented in the first place. Schools or colleges, hospitals, libraries, banks, hotels, or law firms are keen to use them, and they have deployed IoT-enabled sensors in many facilities. Remote monitoring and sensors means that we can predict and prevent water damage at very early stage. These sensors are highly effective because they can detect even the smallest presence of water. We have plenty of examples of the effectiveness of these IoT sensors and what that means in terms of returns of investment. But IoT in general is not without challenges. When we consider issues such as how to integrate multiple systems or cybersecurity and device failures, the industry is in the journey, and all this has to move with a universally accepted set of standards and will allow IoT devices and platforms to work together still some way off. Now I'd like to talk about Insurtech and the future insurance ecosystem. Digitalization is creating many opportunities for insurers and for customers, and your role as digital providers is key. There is little doubt that some traditional insurers which don't have their own digital capabilities could consider Insurtech as a threat because they are unable to compete. But competition is not necessarily the right way to view this dynamic. There is room for both. Certainly, more and more people are starting to subscribe to the view that digital and traditional insurers have their place, thanks to different strengths. Insurtech take the lead from the technology perspective, while insurers continue with what they have been doing always the best, underwriting and claims handling, as an example. Instead of competing, the key to success is through coexistence, and better still, to build on that through collaboration, because let's face it, is what it benefits all of us. In conclusion, I hope that I have offered some insights today into Chubb's perspectives around the digitization of the challenges, opportunities for the industry. Change is transforming the world we inhabit for both insurers and Insurtechs, and it is happening very quickly. But by working more together, the opportunity and the rewards are there for both of us, and most importantly, for our clients and customers. Thank you very much for inviting me today, and hope that you enjoy the rest of the event. Bye-bye.